Hello everyone. In today's session, we're going to see what SAP Analytics Cloud is, and we're going to see some related topics. About the trainer, I'm Vijayalakshmi Balakrishnan, and I have a core expertise in data migration, FICO, BCS, BW, BPC, SAC, and BODS. I have a master degree in business administration and computer applications, and a certified Solaris administrator for Sun Microsystems, and a certified BPC consultant, and a Prince 2 practitioner. I have a totally around 29 years of experience, out of which the first 10 years is pertaining to domain experience, and the last 19 years is into SAP implementation and support projects. I've worked for various clients in the US, UK, and in India. And my last role was as a senior project manager in Tech Mahindra before I moved into the UK. I also provide training on BPC, FICO, BW, SAC, BODS, data migration, testing, and accountancy. Each challenge is an opportunity. Make the best use of it. Change is the only word that doesn't change. Everything else changes. The best thing you can give to another human being is building their self-confidence. Teach them how to fish and don't fish for them. So the table of contents is as follows. What is SAC? Cloud platforms, analytical components, current fragmented solutions, analytics, convergence through SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC, how to create an account and log into the SAC portal. So these are the contents, and we'll see them one by one. So before we go into SAC, we should understand what cloud means. Cloud is a platform where you don't physically have the hardware and software in your premises. It's all maintained by SAP, and it's upgraded, maintenance, and servicing. Everything is done by SAP, and it's owned by SAP, the hardware and the software, everything. We just use it as a rental, a pay-to-go, pay-as-you-go basis, and we use the shared services, and it's highly secured. Now, SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC, is a software as a service platform for SAP's business intelligence, which is BI. So it was developed to combine all the analysis functions like ad hoc analysis, self-service, dashboards, and planning within one product for all the users. So SAP provides the platform as a public cloud platform, independent from other SAP tools. Okay, SAC has competition in the field from Power BI and Tableau. We said SAC is a software as a service product. Now, what is SaaS, PaaS, and Iaas? Now, software as a service, SaaS, is a platform which allows users to connect and use the cloud-based applications over the internet. Okay, some examples can be email, calendaring, and other office tools from Microsoft. Now, SaaS provides a complete software solution that you can purchase as a pay-as-you-go basis from a cloud service provider. Now, Moving on to the next platform, which is the platform as a service, we have the PaaS, which is a complete development and deployment of environment in the cloud, with the resources that enable you to deliver everything with simple cloud-based applications, from a simple software to a highly complicated application. And some of the cloud platforms are Azure, Oracle Cloud Platform, Amazon, AWS, and Google Platform, and SAP Cloud Platforms. Now, infrastructure as a service is a cloud computing model that provides on-demand access to computing resources such as servers, storage, networking, and visualization. So it's attractive because acquiring computing resources to run applications or store data in the traditional way requires more time and capital. And this one is maintained by the service provider, upgraded, servicing, maintenance, everything is done by the service provider. And we just rent out the amount of space and memory and the applications we need on a pay-as-you-go basis. Moving on to the next slide, the analytics components are as follows. So in SAC, we have 3 components, which is business intelligence, predictive analysis, and planning. So business intelligence deals with the business data and derives some insights on the data so that you can do decision making, like building dashboards on that data and making some key decisions, showing statistics and comparison. And these are some of the features of business intelligence. Predictive analysis is using the historical data, you can predict the future happenings. If sales was so much for this year under recession, then how much, if we boost the sales by advertisement costing this much, how much sales can we expect next year with similar conditions which we face this year? Or if the recession is going to, because of government policies, the recession is going to be recovering, so what's the impact? All those predictive analysis, predictions, can be done using the predictive analysis part. The major tool which was used was SaaS, which is a statistical analysis system. But SAC is now replacing it because SAC has machine learning embedded in itself. So that's where it's overtaking SAS in the market. And planning is based on predictive analysis. So we set the targets. So if sales in this region is so much with so much of advertisement, if we increase the advertisement by so much percentage, what will be the sales in that area? And so it's just analyzing and making different assumptions and planning for the future to achieve the targets set by the management. Moving on to the next slide. So these are the current fragmented solutions. So we have business intelligence, predictive analysis, and planning. So we have many tools in the market which deals in each area, but SAC has all these 3 embedded in it. It's a complete package of business intelligence, predictive analysis, and planning, all put together in one tool called SAC. Whereas for business intelligence in the market, we have Tableau, Microsoft BI, Power BI, then QLIC Tech, these are some of the business intelligence tools available in the market. For predictive analysis, we have IBM Cognos Analytics and Statistical Analysis System, which is SaaS. And for planning, we have Anaplan and Oracle Hyperion Planning. So these are all fragmented. These are all pieces hanging there separately. But SAC puts all these three pieces together, puts them all together, and you have one single tool which deals with all these three components. Now, analytics convergence through SAC. SAC is a single experience for the decision making, and it allows the users to discover, visualize, plan, and predict all in one place. So it gives the power to find new insights and take action using this tool. So the major reporting tools which are going to be replaced by SAC are as follows: the Business Object Suite, the Web Intelligence, Lumira Discovery, Lumira Designer, Roam BI, Analysis for Office. So these are some of the tools which SAC is going to replace with its own reporting tools which it has. So SAC is one-stop solution for planning, reporting, and predictive analysis. So how to create a user ID and log into the SAC portal for practice. So first you have to register with sap.com, and then you have to go into this link, which I've Experience SAC, register for Experience SAC subscription. So you have to register there, and you will get a user ID, and you can set the password. So I'll just show you okay, so sharing my screen. Now we have here. So here I have this guided experience. Let me just log in. So this is the link. So once I log in, it will take me to the home page. And this is the home page of SAC. And here I have, so all the reports and all the dashboards which you have are called as stories. So here, story is getting loaded. So these are, this is a sample story which I have created. So you have edit mode and view mode. So currently I'm in the view mode, and this is the one of the sales analysis, and I have margin analysis, and so these are all the different pages available. So here I can put in parameters, and I can set filters. So here I can go and set the filters on location. So I want to see California. So this is, so if I go and set the filter here, I want to see. So I can set the filter by product. Here I have 3 filters. I can set by product and location. And so here, the product, I can choose only 2. So these are dynamic filters. So they change, the graph changes as soon as I click on the product, whereas this is a static filter where I can like where I can, it's fixed and I cannot change what I've given. So this is product filter and this is a location filter. And in the same way, if we go on to the next page, we have we can display the measures in a graphical representation so that it is easily visualizable, can be visualized easily, and we can instead of giving numbers, it's represented in graphs, pictorial representation, which has more better impact than just giving a report with numbers. And so these are some of the pages in the story, and you can go ahead and create a story, and you can. So this is how a dashboard or a story looks like. Okay, let's go back to the. So this is the home page, which you will land on, and this is what I've shown you, the sales analysis story. And yes, so that brings us to the end of the session. And if you have any questions, please do share in the comments, and I will reply them as soon as possible. Thank you, and hope you enjoyed this video.